Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this is officially our first video, and before starting, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now. So today's video is a travel vlog. I'm flying from Guwahati to Bhopal via Delhi, and I decided to film this video because I think it's kind of a very exciting and a scary experience to travel in this COVID period. I am personally very scared because I'm having a bit of cough, and my parents have told me that if you cough at the airport, we're going to say that we don't know you and we'll leave you and go. So I'm very scared, but let's see what happens. So yeah, let's get started. So we are at the Guwahati airport and it is so empty right now. Like, not the shops are also closed. And yeah, and everywhere they have these stickers of social distancing. Checked in and we've got our boarding passes. We came like very early because we thought it would take a lot of time, but everything happened very quickly and now we're finished with all the procedures. So we still have like 2 hours left for a flight, so I don't know what we're gonna do because we really don't have anything to do. So we'll just probably sit or sleep. We can't even like sit together. We'll have to leave like 3-4 seats in between and then sit. So yeah, we can't even talk. Like, you have to shout if you have to talk. So yeah, we'll probably just sleep for 2 hours. Yeah.
Flight AI892 to Delhi is now ready for departure. Request all passengers to please proceed to gate number 7 for boarding. Thank you.
Okay, I need to go, guys. That was announcement for my flight.
Fasten seatbelt sign. Whenever it is switched on, to fasten the seatbelt, push the metal fitting into the buckle, then pull the loose end of the strap to tighten it. To release the belt, lift the flap and pull out the metal fitting from the buckle. There are 6 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 doors in front, 2 doors at the rear, and 2 windows above the wings. They are clearly identified by exit sign. Please make a note of the one closest to you. In an emergency, exit path lighting will illuminate and guide you to the nearest exit. Oxygen mask are placed in the unit above your seat. If cabin pressure should fall, oxygen mask will drop automatically. Take your COVID mask and visor off. Cover your nose and mouth, tighten the elastic band and breathe normally. After you have secured your own oxygen mask, please assist children and others seated near you. Extra oxygen masks are provided for infants. Please review the information in the safety briefing card, which is in your seat pocket. Thank you for your cooperation.
इंदिरा गांधी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे के टर्मिनल 3 में आपका स्वागत है। आपके जानकारी के लिए बाहर का तापमान 34 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। सीट बेल्ट संकेत बंद किए जाने तक कृपया अपनी सीट पर बैठे रहें और ऊपर लगे संबंध कक्ष न खोलें। अब आप अपने मोबाइल फोन का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं।
We have landed in Delhi, guys, and I'm so happy. I feel like staying here only. I don't want to go. Hey guys, so I've just landed in Delhi. Like, we had our dinner and we're all set to sleep right now. We're gonna stay at the airport for the night because we have our flight tomorrow early morning at around 7. It's already 12 in the night right now and we're all so tired. Wearing that mask and the face shield for the entire journey was such a headache. But we have to do it. So yeah, like, we're all gonna sleep right now because we have to get up very early tomorrow and then again fly, and we'll reach by around 11 or 12. So it's gonna be very hectic. So that was it for the day today. I'll shoot more for you. Bye bye. Hey guys, so I'm at the Delhi airport. Yeah, we slept pretty well. It was a decent night. It's around 5:30 in the morning right now. We've had our breakfast already and our boarding will start at around 7 o'clock. So yeah, we're all ready to go. The crowd was very, very, very less in the night, but right now there are like a few people here. So it's not that less, but yeah, as compared to the Delhi airport crowd, it's very less. And that's about it. The shops here are open. There's not much of a fuss at this airport, but like the other airports, they're closed. And it was nice. Last night when we were here at the airport for approximately an hour, they had announcements of all the flights that got cancelled. Like, there were so many flights are getting cancelled due to COVID, and that's about it. Even our flight got cancelled earlier, and within a day we preponed it. And yeah, like 2 days before our flight, they were like, your flight is cancelled, and we were all packed and everything. So we had to prepone it. For Bhopal, our boarding has started, and I thankfully did not cough at the airport even once, and my parents did not disown me. I'm so happy. And we are about to reach Bhopal. I'm so excited after such a long and scary journey. difficult part of the journey was wearing this face shield because it is so suffocating and it gives you headache. But we can't even help it. It's like protecting us, so we have to wear it. Yeah, that is the place where I live, guys. It's known as Dronachal Top or D Top.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Raja Bhoj Airport at Bhopal. The outside temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated and do not open the overhead bins until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Bye.
These were the various consent forms that we were made to fill at the various departure and arrival gates at the airport. And a few of the questions in the form were like really funny. One form had a question that have you visited Wuhan within the past 14 days? And I was like, no. So guys, I finally reached Bhopal and I am home quarantined till 15th. This is what happened at our society's gate. And yeah, I'm gonna go now. That was it for this video. I think we'll come up with amazing video ideas shortly.